Alright, here we go. We got the Remington Core-Lokt. What are we doing today? We are doing a little comparison to see if the Remington Core-Lokt in 243 100 grain bullets will shoot off. Are they the same at 25 yards and at 100? So can you sight it in at 25 yards and will it be the same at 100 yards? Y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, here we go. Remington Core-Lokt. Yes, y'all have already seen this video. And here we go. That was my first shot. I knew I pulled on it. That's why I took a third shot. And we got it right here at 100 yards. So next we're going to go at 25 yards and see if it's the same. Hitting in the same spot. So the next two shots should be hitting in that same general area. So let's take a look. That's pretty obvious. But we'll still go take a look. Alright, here we go. Remington Core-Lokts. Are they the same at 100 yards and at 25 yards? This is saying no, they're not. The elevation is definitely a big difference here. That's roughly a 3-inch drop between the two. So you're not gonna be sitting there. You know, if you sight it in at 25 yards and thinking you're good at 100, you know, on a shoulder shot on a deer, yeah, that would fly. That would get you the deer in the shoulder. You shooting a headshot on a hog at 100 yards, you're gonna whiz right over the top of it. So no, they're not the same, and it's not the same at all. Right there. So yeah, that's why I definitely check. Some ammunition you can do it with. You know, when they say, some people sit there and say, well, that caliber, like 243, you shoot that at 25 yards, it's the same as 100 yards. Or 223, you shoot that at 25 yards, it's the same as 100. It's not necessarily the caliber that does it. It's the bullets you're shooting that will do it. And that's an example here. Like I said, we did this video before of the Winchester Deer Season XPs. Those are pretty much the same at 25 and 100 yards. The Remington, these just now, they're not the same. So just check your ammo. It's good. 25 yards will put you on paper. Always back it out to 100 or wherever you're shooting from, whatever you know your shots are going to be from, back it out to that and double check. Because even 75 yards, that 50 yards will make a huge difference, especially on the angles opening up. But I'm sitting in the sun. As you see, the buzzards are flying because they think I'm dead. I'm going to start moving around so I don't get ate. Thanks for watching. It goes right there. They are bastards.